I'm gonna show you. Look at my new dimension. I'm still building. Sorry. It's new. I use toolbox to build it. So, it's this world. It's called Diamond Dimension, and I'm still building it. To prove to you, oops, I forgot personally, that this is not a fake portal. Oops, yeah, this was the get out portal. To prove to you that this isn't a fake portal, I will show you. It is in this castle I have made. Look at that. Pearl things. And, yeah, I just decorated a bit, and, you need toolbox for Minecraft, and, I kinda made a castle. I really wanted to, like, yeah. Yeah, so, you need, toolbox for Minecraft. Make these, cause, like, yeah, they need special blocks called, portal blocks, and, kinda like, so sometimes they're like, yeah, so, these are the portal blocks I was talking about. These are 5 things. I just did this to decorate it, like, yeah, but you can actually kind of see them. Yeah, this is the nether portal I built. And I forgot one more bit. It's in this awesome castle. Look at it. Look at that. The only thing you need to do, take that out, door opens. Oh, and watch out for the sand. You can fall down. Yeah, it's pretty painful. Thank you. So you fixed it. There we go. Better now. And you just get out of the castle and put like the key in, and it will just close the door. Yeah, it's kind of decorated thing. And yeah, this is my first. So yeah, kind of decorated stuff. Now, for the serious part, I'm sorry if this lags out again. You can dye armor now, and Wither's coming out on Tuesday, so good luck. I'll be doing a video on that. I'm gonna throw my items in there. Goodbye, guys, and I'll just log out. Just